Well, good morning, traveler. Todd and Michelle here. We're traveling around Disney, and it is day 3 of our Disney Dream Cruise. And today is Castaway Cay, as you can see behind us, and Pirate Night and fireworks, and we have all kinds of exciting things happening today. So come along, and let's see what day 3 has in store for us today.
See, we're all ready for our first adventure, or whenever we decide to do it today. Our new little swim stuff.
Yeah, think we're snorkeling, right? We're not sure about that. We'll see about that.
Maybe walking with a mask on. We don't know.
Goofy and Pluto in their swim attire. And now, after the rain, we have docked. It was raining during the whole time, but it has stopped raining. Probably be off and on today, but we are here. We are able to dock at Castaway Cay, which a lot of folks on a couple cruises back weren't able to. The winds were just too bad. Character vehicles right there. And honestly, it doesn't look as far of a walk as I've seen in pictures and stuff like that. But that's the tip of it, and then the main part is on the other side of the ship.
What is that big black mass kind of hovering over the ocean? Is it another ship? Or is it just an illusion that it's hovering over the ocean and it's just a ship far away? No clouds, just silver underneath it.
All the way to the end.
Serenity's on the other side.
Oh, great.
Right over there. So you got to go all the way over to the other side for Serenity, which is the 18 and older beach. And we have made our way to the island. We're going to get the lay of the land right here. And this is the tram stop that you can get the tram to go on to the other parts of the island.
And I think I was the first to, yeah. And then him, and then John and Ryan, or John Roger, and then Pickles.
There you go.
That's what we're saying.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our beautiful island, Castaway Cay. In just a few short minutes, we'll be arriving at Scuttle's Cove Tram Stop. You should disembark here for Scuttle's Cove Children Program Area, Monstro Point Famous Whale Skeleton Day, Castaway Race Stingray Adventure, watercraft rentals, gill fins and boats, snorkel rental, and she sells seashells and everything else for shopping. As a reminder, lunch is served between 11:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. at 2 locations, Cookies Barbecue and Cookies Stew.
I believe this is the kids area, Shuttle Cove. Scuttle's Cove. Why did I say Shuttle's Cove? We just took the shuttle. And this is their Mount Rustmore right here. And then the little shop district right over in here, restrooms, everything that you need right here on Disney's private island. So Michelle just pointed out, if anybody is waiting to get a bathing suit, you can actually get it on the island, and they have all sizes, extra large, extra large, even a small, up to women's sizes, so that's nice. Swim shirts for the kids right over there. Oh, look at that, Spider-Man. We're gonna go into the shops. No, Becca, they don't make your size in these. Sorry. As we make our way to the beaches, Also, wanted to let you know, at all the ships on the island, there are no discounts whatsoever for anybody, cast members, anybody, and there is a 10% tax on everything you buy at Castaway Cay. So of course, this is our first bay you come to, the first beach, and right out that way is the rental place. So you go there to get all to your rental stuff, but this is the first family beach. So this is pretty much the second family beach right here, and there's a play area out there. Oh, listen, it's so peaceful. Very tropical. Of course, we're in the islands. Okay, we are at the 5K start, and no, we're not doing the 5K. So we did snorkels and flippers and mask, and you picked them up right here, and they are $34, and if they're available for the day, you can get them, but you can also pre-order these, pre-book them. So just remember that. So we are at our snorkel location, as you can tell, great area by the ship, and it is actually roped off, so that is good to know. And it looks like there's bar and food right over there. It's even better to know. Michelle is prepping for her scuba. We have to wear these. We have to wear these yellow things. Oh, she's got to get her full gear on.
All right, so how does this work?
It goes on your head.
This is a one-way valve, right? So
Yeah.
water doesn't go down that way.
I believe you are correct.
We hope.
Yeah. If not,
If it goes back up, just put it out.
if not, I'll have to find a new table mate.
All right, so this then goes like this. Oh, I'm going to have to take the thing out.
Yep, clips coming out. Okay, that looks fashionable. Very fashionable. And you got your flippers. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so funny. There you go. There we go. Okay, so we're getting ready to go out into the water, and we are not taking the camera with us. So just like in Disney and anywhere else, everybody you run into is so nice here. We were out snorkeling, which was really fun. We're so glad we did it. But if you look out in the water, let's see if I can find one. Yeah, right around here, there's a white buoy and there's orange buoys. And if you ever get to come to a Castaway Cay, we're going to give you a tad tip. Tad tip is?
Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert.
So
Turn away
close your
now.
eyes for like 5 seconds.
Oh, if you don't know, you
Close
only
your eyes.
close your ears
Close
for
your
5
ears.
seconds. The white buoys are the Disney characters, and the orange buoys are the shipwrecks. So if you're looking for certain things, you can go out there and find them. But it was really fun. We're glad we did it. And we got a great spot on the beach here. Doesn't seem very crowded. I know it's only 60%, but it does not seems very nice. We have made our ways into Cookies 2. This is the second location, but we did find out that Cookies 1 and Cookies 2 serves our different stuff. The only difference at the adult beach is that you do get steak there from what we're hearing. So, but we're going to try this before we head over to the adult beach. Maybe. We're not really sure. So this is some of the servings, the salads. This will be the first thing. Right here, right here. And we're making our way over to, it looks like the hamburger plates. Look at all that. Oh boy. There's every bit. Are those hot dogs? Those are hot dogs. And hamburgers. Oh my gosh. Here we go. So these were Nirvana for me. The ice cream here, right here by Cookies 2 as we had lunch. And right here by the beach. I mean, come on. Everything's so close. Thank you. Me and Michelle are going to take one more dip in this beautiful, beautiful water. Right here, this was a great place. We were going to go to Serenity Bay like we said earlier. They actually have different food over there. It's the 18 or older section. But this has just been an absolute great view. So why leave here? So one more dip and then we're going to head back to the ship. And these seagulls are starting to come because people are starting to bring food.
They know what bags look like. They try to grab a chip bag. Now they're going to get watermelon. Okay, so we are waiting for a tram to get to Serenity Bay because we're going to go check it out here at... Where are we at? Castaway Cay. There we go. Key. You sure it's Key, not
Yes.
K?
It's Key.
That's still debatable for me.
It's
What
Key.
did you think about your day?
I thought this was the best day so far.
Yes, I will totally agree.
Yeah, it was so nice. And I wish I had been on the double dip one now.
Yes.
Like from now on, I think I'm going to skip over Nassau, unfortunately, and just come here.
Any double dips we will be on because
This was
those
a
were
good day.
nice. Yes.
Went snorkeling. We survived that.
Oh, and it was fun.
It
We
was
had
fun.
so much fun.
It was really fun.
It was really fun. So I would
And
definitely do
then
that again. I'll probably bring my own
We
snorkel.
ate. You'll see that all the food.
Yeah.
It was so good.
So.
So good.
It was fun.
And now I'm tired.
Oh.
So we're going to go see Serenity because I want to see what the beach looks like.
Right.
And then take the tram back to the boat.
And get ready for tonight. 'Cause tonight is Pirates Night and the fireworks. So cannot wait. We're actually on the landing strip that's on the island. Rumor has it was used for different things, and here's a plane right here.
Remember, friendly family.
Michelle mentioned it early. Use the transportation. Don't try to walk everywhere because you will be dead beat. Use the transportation.
Even in the morning.
Even in the morning. I agree with you on that one.
Because there's no, right now, you can't get close to characters anyway.
Right.
So there's no benefit to walk other than just exercise.
You're exactly right. Work off some of those buffets
Yeah, if you want to.
if you want to.
I don't want to.
And this is Serenity Bay. Adult 18 or older only. So this is Serenity Bay. It is for adults only, like we said, but it is a shallower beach. And if you don't get up close, you get to walk far down that way. But it's a little bit shallower in the water, a little bit bluer waters and clearer waters. Got a little section right here. That's a bar. So this is the Serenity Bay barbecue right over here, as you can tell from the umbrella tables.
The
And-
only difference is
What's that? What's the only difference?
they grill made to order ribeyes.
Yes. We did not know that, but we will know that next time we come. But
They said steak, they didn't say ribeyes.
right. But they have no overhang shade. It's just the umbrella shade.
No,
Well-
they're under like a banana tree right there.
Yeah.
They have shade. Looks pretty.
And then a place you can rent bikes and stuff all right here. So might have to check this out next time we come. So we're at the next stop, and then the final stop will be to the Disney Dream. But the stops are like close to Cookies and Cookies 2, which is where you do the buffets and stuff. Okay, so they still got 2 more hours. 4:30. Yeah, 4:45 is when the last whistle blows for the Dream that you've got to be on the ship. And yes, here is the same way as the other ports. You got to be back on the ship within a certain time, or they do have to take off and leave.
Castaway Cay. We are all headed back to cargo handling and your Disney cruise ship. And as Mickey said, we hope to see you real soon.
Just smile. We got the boat right over your head.
Okay.
Yeah.
You see it.
There we go. Always doing maintenance on the ship to keep it nice and beautiful. Okay, bye Castaway Cay. See you next time. So since we got back to our room and it's pirate night, They actually left us 2 little bandanas on the bed for tonight. And they left us a little pixie dust over here. Little Rice Krispie treats and some other treats in there for us for our Disney cruise. So that was so nice of the guys. But now we are going to take a little rest. That is the littlest piece of pie I've ever seen. There's life for me.
What was it?
Do you want to build a snowman? Now they're getting ready to be in the sun.
Oh, it's a beautiful island. Really nice. Beats any water park I've been to.
Yeah.
Pretty, pretty. Gorgeous day. You found your ice cream?
I finally got my cone. And I got a mixed one. So as you can tell from behind us, we're getting ready for Pirates Night tonight. So let's see what this is all about. People are starting to gather. These are probably the first dining people to come up. Our dining isn't until 8:15. So we got second seating and this is first seating coming up. A lot of pirates taking over the ship. It's pirate time!
Here's a pirate almost done!
Yeah!
A quiet summer of the pirate baby! Hello everyone! I'm setting the course for fun! How about you? It's Pirate Booby!
Weigh the anchor, hoist the colors, squads, protect the squads. Oh, and don't forget to have fun too.
We sure are ready. Me too. That was so much fun. You guys are gonna be the best crew ever.
More for me to say, so away I go.
Okay, travelers, it is night 3, and we are heading to Animator's Palate. It was Pirate Night tonight, so we're having a pirate feast, and all 3 of the dining rooms are serving the exact same menus tonight. So we're doubling up on Animator's Palate tonight. So come along, and let's see what they serve for dinner tonight on Pirates Night. So as you can tell, for Pirate Night, they do different costuming, and the artwork is different throughout the restaurant. I am loving all the concept art that are coming over the screens. It is great. And this is Kadeem. Say hello, Kadeem. He has been awesome this whole trip. Everyone has lined the decks for the Pirates of the Caribbean movie, but before we do that, we're going to have the fireworks in the sky right off of the starboard side. And that wraps up day 3 of our dream cruise. Day 4 tomorrow is sea day. A lot of activities happening tomorrow for us, so we will see you guys tomorrow. And until next time, like we always say, travel and adventure is out there, and it's time to party! Tonight's feature is Davy Jones.
Tonight's feature is Stay Up All Night with Nightmares.